Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to Bart Myers Vlogs. It's so windy right now. I don't know what it sounds like. But we're on our way to Ikea! Oh, it's so cold. It's like -10. Oh, yes. It's so cold though. Krister, do default dance.
I am a nigga. I am a nigga.
I'm keeping that. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm in my room right now. We made it inside. Oh my god, the guard said to act good. No, I'm joking, but yeah, look at this room. It's pretty, I mean, like, Ikea is so cool. Like, they make rooms and stuff. Like what the?
Yeah, I mean, there's a guy called Nigger.
Now this is just nice, you know? Okay, can't close the curtains, but, like, what do you want to say, Albert?
Of course, Fortnite.
What?
Can you do this? Nigger.
Yeah, guys, so we're in my house already right now. Just kidding, it's Ikea.
Wow, this couch can fit so many loops. That's niggers.
How about let's go design a house, huh? Come on, design your house.
Doors.
Come on, design a house.
Northwest, yeah.
Come on.
Okay, Northwest, yeah. Okay, maar dit is bij hem skappen. Is bij hem skappen? Ja.
That's so cool.
Dat is zo... Ik is push-up. Oh, zo rotte.
Why?
No boy. You sloppy Albert.
They think all the names and stuff is so funny, yeah. We'll be in the coffee meets soon.
Hector, Zemes. Wat not? Wieso zit je eerst aan dank memes? Het is jullie bij dank memes.
You won't get allowed. Albert. Oh yay, we made it to the coffee Nita. Oh.
I mean, that's true.
Yeah, true. Alright, let's go. What's your idea?
You take this nugget.
Yeah.
And you do it like that, and then.
Okay.
Let these bitches. No, got the right. No.
Hola, recito.
Senin bu ya? Bak. Setting 64. Look at she.
Let's go.
Thanks.
No, you gotta film the drink. Yep. Alright, so this is practically what I came for today because these are so good. They have gravy like in America, mashed potatoes.
I saw.
That sauce is good, and then the peas I leave behind. He got the same thing, plus pickles. And Barno Complex. I missed you, baby.
Wow.
Whoa, wasn't it so good?
Look at it, I almost cleaned my plate.
Wasn't there totally a reason to come here?
What do you want? No. Look at this. It's like
So good.
What do you want? It's like, look.
Wow. Oh! now he's just tasting a regular nugget, you
I
know.
haven't ate this.
Yeah. You know, it's like Swedish, so.
PewDiePie. You can taste the PewDiePie. It's so good. Oh my god, it's so bad. It's like you can taste the PewDiePie. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, it's so bad.
This was good. They're gonna clean you. Bye. Oh, we're gonna get cakes. I'm getting my second one. He's getting his first one. Oh yeah, they're so good. Round 2. I don't think I got it in frame. They're gonna split it. But he's embarrassed to say how much he wants. Oh. 4K, 60 frames per second. Hey, watch this. Yeah. Okay, yeah, see, it turned into a real dime. You know, it's a dime cake. It's a real dime now. Yeah. Let's go. Running through Ikea because we're gonna miss our bus. Okay, we won't make it. They think we can make it in 30 seconds to run to our bus. But it's like across the street and everything. We're not gonna make it. We're trying to make it, but it's supposed to already be there. We had to leave our friend behind. He said it's okay. It was a miracle. It was a miracle. All this. We had to leave Walter behind, but it's a miracle. It was supposed to be there at 5:02, and it's 5:05. Then I saw it come. I thought, no, we're not gonna make it. But then I started running. Teamwork. And Krista was yelling in the background, "We won't make it." And there's Walter, that poor guy. Or is it? Yeah. Whoa! So guys, we got so lucky. I'm actually close to my house right now, and randomly we decided that I'm gonna stay the night at his house. Thanks for watching, and